Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Messenger. If you want to create a broadcast channel on Messenger, you can follow these steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, create a new account to continue. Now, tap on the menu icon shown at the top right corner. Then, tap on your Facebook profile. If your account is not public, ensure that you switch to a public account. To switch the account, go back and tap on the down arrow on the profile. Here, tap on the profile icon at the top line. Hit the Edit Public Details button. Scroll down and find the Turn on Professional Mode. After tapping on it, press the Turn on button to activate Professional Mode. Tap on the Next button and choose your default audience. Hit the Confirm button to review the selection. You can hit the Next button for monetization tools and professional tools. Following that, go to the Professional dashboard. Select the focus and hit the Update button. You can go to the Google Play Store and search for the Facebook app. Lastly, make sure to update the app to better versions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.